Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Donna, and today's video is gonna be a two-parter. So in the first part of my video, I'm gonna be unboxing my newest Cartier purchase, and in the second part of my video, I'm going to be talking to you about my new nails. So without further ado, let's get started. So for those of you who regularly watch my channel, you probably already know that I recently had the chance to visit the Cartier boutique in Toronto. And it was a very fun, exclusive and private experience, kind of different because the boutique was in renovation. They were holding appointments in the Hazelton Hotel. I have a whole blog about that. If you haven't had a chance to watch it, I will link it up above, so don't forget to check it out. But let's get to the exciting part, my new unboxing. So my appointment was pretty early on in the day, and since I had a full day ahead of me of walking around downtown Toronto, I really didn't feel comfortable carrying a Cartier bag with me. So my SA was nice enough to give me one of these white bags. It's a little mashed up right now, as you can see, with this like kind of flap at the top, so no one really knows what you purchased or what you're carrying in the bag. And she kind of asked me when I was making the purchase if I wanted to wear my bracelet right away, but I asked her to wrap it up just because I love unwrapping my Cartier purchases, as cheesy as that sounds. So as you all know, it comes in this red thick bag like this, like I've shown before in my videos. There's some tissue paper. And so I have my cleaning kit. As always, this thing works wonders, especially like on diamonds, like the ring I'm wearing. It just makes your jewelry so shiny and clean, it almost looks new. I have my receipt with my SA's business card. And this was really sweet of my SA. The last time I stopped by Cartier, I did purchase the Juste Clou ring. I'm not wearing it today, but she had forgotten to give me my little pouch. So this time she did give it to me, but she hot stamped my initials onto the pouch, if you can see that. DR, which is just so cute. And when you open the pouch, you see Cartier. So I do have the matching pouch for my bracelet. And there you have it, the Cartier in the middle. And it does come with the little pillow to store your bracelet around. My certificate of authenticity as well. And she also gave me, Cartier has come out with like a trilogy of new perfumes called Les Rivières, so the rivers. And I have a sample of each, which I can't wait to smell and use. So we have the pink one called Insouciance, greenish turquoise one, Luxuriance, having difficulty pronouncing it there, and Allégresse, which is the yellow one like this. So I really can't wait to smell these, and you never know, I might be holding my new scent in my hand as we know it. So now for the most exciting part, or my favorite part of the video, the unboxing. So I've already showed this before on my videos, but I just can't get over how nice the Cartier wrapping is. This is why, even though the purchase is for me, it's not a surprise, it's not a gift that I don't know about, I always ask them to wrap it for me. So they do wrap it in this like thick white paper and make these like folds or pleats, and then they kind of hot stamp the wax so the package seals that way instead of just using Scotch tape or whatever, as you can see. I'm a little obsessed. So let's get to it. So for those of you who watched my vlog, what do you think I got? Leave your guesses down below in the comment section. And ta-da, here it is. So I ended up going for the rose gold Juste and Clou without diamonds. For me, I really wanted something I could wear as an everyday bracelet along with my other jewelry. So I felt, although I really loved the diamond bracelet and it was a very, very hard decision to make, I just felt uncomfortable walking into work every day with that kind of bracelet. So I did go for the non-diamond one. I mean, it is a little bit more subtle and I can wear it every day, even to work. And as you might have seen in the vlog, I was hesitating between the size 15 and 16. I did end up going for the 16, so a little bit bigger. I do like, because it is a bangle, I do want it to move a little bit on my wrist. I felt that the 15 kind of didn't have that much leeway. So since it is the SM version, it opens a little differently than the regular version. You kind of just open it like this and slip your arm in. So as you can see, for those of you who want the details, you have the head of the nail and the tip, and it's just kind of like the SM ring, very thin and subtle. So I'm just gonna try it on for you guys. And there it is. So as you can see, this one does move a little bit more for me, on me I mean, than the 15. The 15 kind of just had that much leeway. And because of my very pronounced bone here, it didn't really pass my wrist, whereas this one moves a little bit more. As you can see, it does go past my bone. However, there's no way of it falling off. So I really like this feel of the bracelet a lot more. And because it does move a little bit more, I feel like I can wear it as a standalone bracelet like I will for the moment. And as well, I can stack it eventually in the future with other bracelets or other pieces of jewelry I find very interesting. So I'm just so happy with my purchase. I'm so happy I can finally start to wear it on a daily basis. And I just can't wait to enjoy this. Okay, so I don't know if any of you guys noticed, but I really brought my nail game up in this video. In most of my videos, I usually just don't have any nail polish on, or it's a very light, clear color. But in this video, I did my nails. It is gel polish. Because of Nail Addict, I have these beautiful nails. So Nail Addict is an LA-based gel polish company. And what I love about them is that all their products are vegan. So they don't contain any animal-derived ingredients. As well, they're cruelty-free, so none of their gel polishes or ingredients are tested on animals. But what makes me the most happy, not that I don't care about animals, but they're 9-free. And what that means is that they remove the 9 most harmful chemicals from their gel polishes, like formaldehyde and camphor, as well as acetone, just to name a few. You guys should really check them out. nailaddict.com. I will leave all their information in the description box below. I'm telling you, they have over 100 colors. They have glitter colors, cream colors. It's crazy. Let me just show you the colors I ended up choosing. So the first one is the one I am wearing on my fingers today, on my fingernails rather. So it's kind of this like corally pink nail polish, which is perfect for summer. Now, most of the polishes I do wear are in the pink shades and tones, so that's what I will be showing you today. It's either pinks in summer or kind of more reds. I do go for the occasional dark black at times, but since we are summer, I decided to stick in the pink range. So my second color is called Temptation, and it's more of like a bubblegum pink type of color. I will warn you guys, when you do open it, the color seems a little bit more neon or bright than it does on the bottle, but once it dries and it bakes, it is very close to what the bottle shows you. So don't panic when you do open the bottle. And my third color, very safe, very very light color. It's called Pink Princess. So I haven't had a chance to try this one on yet. Very excited. I usually go for this kind of shade, as you've seen in my videos. I also did get a base coat as well as a no wipe top coat. So now I've had these nails for a couple of days, and honestly the quality is amazing. They haven't chipped, they haven't cracked, nothing. They're just as perfect as when I painted them. And it is supposed to last 3 to 4 weeks. Don't judge or don't roast me on on the technique, because it is the first time I did apply gel polish onto myself. So it's not perfect. I did get it on my skin a little bit, as well as it did bubble. My advice to you is really, for those of you who haven't tried yet, is to really apply it in thin layers, very thin layers, as thin as possible, honestly. And I usually do 2 nails at a time. So basically, for those of you who don't really know what I'm talking about, they do sell the UV lamps also on Nail Addict. And basically you have to bake your nails. Every coat you do put on, you have to bake your nails. So let me just show you how cute this is. So it does come with like a USB cable. You do have to plug it into either a charging block, or I just plug it into my laptop. Honestly, it works perfectly. So look how cute this is. Very compact and very efficient as well. So you kind of just open the legs at the bottom. Having trouble doing so right now, as you can see. There you go. Well, it was easier than I thought. And then, as you can see, this is where the light comes out of. So you just lay it on the table like this, and you have the on-off button. So what I did, honestly, I did a total of, in all, 3 layers of color, a base coat plus a top coat. So I started with my base coat. I do 2 nails at a time. I had tried doing it with 4, but honestly, baby steps. So two nails at a time, 1 layer of base coat, and between each layer, like I said, you do bake your nails. I baked them 45 seconds. It was more than enough for me. You can, with the Nail Addict UV lamp, you can go up to 60 seconds, but like I said, 45 was more than enough for me. And so base coat, bake, 1 layer of my polish, so for me, bake, 2nd layer, bake, 3rd layer, bake, and as the last layer, I put the top coat, and I got the no wipe one. So once you bake, you're kind of ready to go. You don't have to wipe the excess off. And this is how it came. Like I said before, don't judge the bubbles or the imperfections. It was my first time. I know there is a lot of place for improvement, and I will be improving in the next coming weeks, months. So yeah, very happy that Nail Addict did reach out to me. I do have a promo code for all those of you who are interested. So it's on, you have to purchase a minimum of 2 gel polishes, but like I said, they also sell accessories that you can add on to your order, and the code does apply to those as well. So if you don't have a UV lamp, now is a good opportunity to get one. So it's 45% off, like I said, on a minimum of 2 gel polishes. My code is Donna, D-O-N-N-A. So if you are interested, I will leave all their information in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. You guys will not be disappointed, I promise. And so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. It was a kind of a mix of a little unboxing, a little nail talk. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave all your comments in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer them. And if you're not following me, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!